Hey, I'm on a job site today. I wanted you to see what we're doing. We just pulled a window out of here. The first thing you notice is that we did lay down some protection to help protect the window sills. We did a real good job cleaning up everything once we pulled the window out. And then our next step is to flash this properly. You notice here we have bare exposed wood. Up here, we've now interrupted what's called a drainage plane by pulling out the window who had a nail flange on it. So what do we do to protect that? Well, step right next door. Here's what we do. We come back in and we use a special flashing tape. See that flashing tape? It's a peel and stick flashing tape. Goes all the way around the perimeter of the window. Across the top we have our proprietary metal flashing. Kind of hard for you to see right there, but there's a metal flashing that goes all across the top, and that keeps water from coming in. It diverts it now around the side of the plane of the window so it can go down the drainage plane properly. And then if you notice here, we actually have a sealant. This is a caulking right here, and that caulking goes all the way around the perimeter on the sheetrock and onto our flashing, and that makes a good seal between the house and the flashing and the window. And then across the bottom, we also used to have bare wood down here, and as you can see, we put flashing on it, and it turns downward so that any water that might get on this windowsill, if water leaks behind the walls, never comes into the house. It actually goes down the natural drainage plane. And that, my friend, is going to lead, when it's all done, to a beautiful set of windows just like that.